Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is April the 1st, 2018, and this is our daily cryptocurrency market analysis, where we are giving you all the news according to the charts right before it happens on the next trading day. Anything that is mentioned here on this video is not to be considered investment advice because we are not investment advisors. But nevertheless, we are here to give you all our price predictions on where we think some of these major cryptocurrencies are going to move over the next couple of days. And if you have been an avid viewer of our channel, you guys can definitely tell that what we understand as the language analysis has definitely been on point and precise and quite confident in understanding where the market is going to go. If you all would like to have more information or analysis on different cryptocurrencies, then come and join us on our Patreon page. You guys can definitely get access to the top 10 daily cryptocurrency against Bitcoin, and as well get access to our private Facebook group to where we all collaborate and speak on things that is not privy to this particular channel on YouTube. And it's only for 10 cents a day. That's all it will cost you all. It's just 10 cents a day to get access to the top 10 cryptocurrency against Bitcoin, and as well access to our private Facebook group where I kind of drop some nuggets to those who are participants in the group so they could become better traders in language analysis. So we will see you there. And again, don't waste your time. Just come and join us on our Patreon group, and you guys will definitely benefit from the understanding of the language analysis that so many people do not know. So now let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for today. The video from yesterday, we forecasted the market to consolidate and even for some of them to continue to move lower, and these guys saw throughout today's trading day the market has moved substantially to the downside. It just simply went to catch that support area from the February 6th of 2018. So we're back at another crucial area for the market, and we need to see more precursors of strength on these bars, especially on the daily price chart, in order for the market to continue to consolidate or even move a little bit higher. Currently, Bitcoin is down 1.19%, Ethereum is down 3.20%, Ripple is down almost 4%, and Litecoin is down 2.5%. So overwhelmingly, all of the cryptocurrencies for today is trending lower. Let's see. Expa, Verge, Revain, Skycoin, Ontology, MadeSafe Coin, RC Coin, Genero Network, Binance Coin, Omisi Go, Pivex, BitShares. So you guys can definitely see that there's only a handful of cryptocurrencies that are trending in the green for today, but definitely the cryptocurrency market is trending to the downside, especially the top 10 major crypto players in this space. So let's go ahead and get started in our analysis for today. Right now, we're looking at Bitcoin from the Bitfinex exchange. They're down 1.5%. Last trade was $6,930.90. Daily price chart for Bitcoin. We started out earlier in trading. You guys can see where we dipped below $6,500 in trading. The market finally has recovered and came right back towards the open of the bar. If the market concludes with the bar closing towards the high, then we're expecting the market for Bitcoin to start its consolidation and to also move a little bit higher. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit real quick to see where the last time Bitcoin came and touched $6,500. It looked like it occurred here on the 5th of February, where it came all the way down to 66.51. So the market is literally coming right back to that crucial area that we spoke about last couple of days in our videos. So definitely we are at a probable precursors of strength on the daily price bar for Bitcoin. Take a look at the 3-hour bars. Definitely you guys can see we had this major push to go up bar. And currently, even on this 3-hour bar, we still notice that the buyers are here trying to push the market to the upside. But $7,000 will be resistant, so we have to be cautious of that fact. So depending on where this bar closes over the next 3 hours, expect consolidation to continue. But if Bitcoin can break $7,000, then expect it to move higher, all the way back up to $7,100 or even $7,200. Quick look at the 1-hour bar. Again, the market was consolidating here between 67.60 all the way back up to 68.80, and the market actually finally broke through. We got a lot more volume coming in, so we have to kind of be patient to see whether or not the market's going to continue to move higher. Told you all $7,000 is resistant, so we're expecting Bitcoin to at least consolidate. That's going to be our analysis for consolidation to continue. $6,800 needs to hold that support. It might even come back down to 67.60, but definitely the market has to break $7,000 in order for them to move higher. And we can see that stockpile is coming in on the 1 hour bar. So looking at the 30-minute bars, you guys can see where that consolidation occurred, and the buyers did not allow Bitcoin to fall below 67.50. Got this precursors of strength bar. If this current 30-minute bar closes above the previous close, then that tells us that the market is going to try to break $7,000 again, and that is still a possibility. So overall, just stay on the sidelines. We're just going to state that Bitcoin is going to continue to consolidate. The key player or the hurdle that we have to cross in order for Bitcoin to continue to move higher is that $7,000 area. Okay, so until then, expect consolidation or even a move to the downside. Next on the list is going to be Ethereum. So looking at Ethereum right now, they're down almost 3%. Last trade is $384.72. Daily price bar, again, we get another probable precursor of trend, pretty much like Bitcoin. Just a symbol that the buyers are trying to keep Ethereum from moving too low. $350 needs to hold that support. I think that was the last time that the market came to around 350 was here on December 7, 2017. The market came here and touched the lows, even all the way here to around November 30, 2017. The market has came this low to this point ever since the ending half of 2017. So now we need to get another precursors of strength bar on tomorrow's trading. If we do not get that, then expect the market to continue to move lower in price for Ethereum. Looking at the 3 hour bars, again, the market has given us a probable precursors of strength bar, and we're still continuing in that fashion to higher prices, but stockpile is coming in on this bar, so we had to be careful to know that the market may not move that high. Quick look at the 1 hour bar for Ethereum. Stockpile is still coming in the market, so we're still leery, and our analysis for them is for them to continue to consolidate. The market can find support here around $380 or possibly $382. So if all this stockpile on this 1 hour bar is actually true, then the market can definitely move lower all the way back down to $375 as well. So just expect Ethereum to continue to consolidate in the short term. And in the meantime, if we get more precursors of strength to be reflected, then expect Ethereum to move higher. But right now, our analysis is just for them to consolidate to even possibly move lower due to the stockpile that we see coming in on this particular 1 hour bar. So now let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. So Litecoin is down 3.22%. Last trade was $115.50. Daily price bar for Litecoin is giving us another probable precursor of strength, which is something that we need to see in the overall cryptocurrency space, right? So tomorrow, daily price bar for Litecoin definitely needs to close above today's previous close, and then that will tell us that the consolidation has begun. The 3 hour bars, though, you guys can see how we've had this very strong push to go up bar. We're not getting any confirmation on this current bar. Depending on how this current 3 hour bar closes, we're expecting Litecoin to continue to move lower, especially if this current bar closes lower than the previous close. It tells us that the majority of this volume on this 3 hour bar was selling. So if this current 3 hour bar completes the way that it looks now, we're looking for the market for Litecoin to move lower. Resistance is right there around $116. Okay, so expect it to move lower in the short term until it moves or catches support, and then it might bounce higher from there. But right now, we're not expecting Litecoin to move higher. Okay. So even looking at the 1 hour bar, $117 has been acting as resistance over the last 3-4 hour bars. So if we cannot get any volume to come into the market or precursors of strength bar to break $117, then we will not be moving higher. Stockpile is currently coming in this 1 hour bar. So there is a transition going on between buyers and sellers at $114 all the way up to $117. That is the one to be the consolidation on a short time frame. If the market continues to close above its previous close, then the buyers are still active in this particular trade, and they're going to try $117 again. Now, once they come back up here towards $117, then if we get more stockpile or precursors of weakness, Litecoin will continue its movement to the downside. So the last one for today is going to be Ripple. So looking at Ripple, they're down 3.85%. Last trade was around 48 cents. Daily price bar, again, probable precursors of strength is being reflected. Market is still closed lower than the previous close, even though we have a couple more hours before this daily price bar concludes. Looking at the 3 hour bars for Ripple, nothing too much different than what we saw on Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. You guys can see where resistance is. Resistance right here around 49 cents. Market definitely has the buyers coming in trying to support Ripple right now. If that continues, expect Ripple to continue to move higher, but we will need to see more volume in order for Ripple to break 49 cents. 1 hour bar for Ripple, again, not a surprise, 49 cents is resistance. That's why we're getting stockpile to come in the market right now. The buyers are trying to push Ripple past 49 cents. If that occurs, or if this current 1 hour bar closes the way that it looks now, or at least close towards the high, then expect Ripple to continue to move higher. So right now we're just in a transition period for the 4 of these altcoins. Even though the daily price chart is giving us a probable precursors of strength, so tomorrow we definitely need to have the market participants to close above today's previous close bar. If that does not occur, then weakness is still present and you can expect the market to continue to move to the downside. Okay, right now we are in a transition, so our analysis is to either stand by or just to allow this consolidation to continue. And in the midst of this consolidation, if we get more precursors of strength, then the market for these 4 altcoins will break resistance and then move higher. Okay, but if it does not break these prior area resistance, then it will move back to the downside. So that is our analysis for today. If you all are interested in learning more or getting analysis against Bitcoin, or even you're interested in other altcoins against the USD, then come and join us on our Patreon page. Okay, you'll get more information there. And that's all I have for today. Everyone, make sure you maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later.